In this video tutorial, we will demonstrate how to join Smart Infinity through an affiliate link. You can register on your computer or through the TronLink application on your mobile phone. From the computer, it is necessary to click on the affiliate link that was sent to you, or copy the link and paste it into your browser, where you must have your TronLink wallet installed. Before joining, check your Tron wallet. A Tron's balance is required to pay transaction fees and 30 USDTs to purchase the bronze pool. Now we are going to access the affiliate link of the person who referred you to Smart Infinity. Wait for the page to load until your TronLink presents this connection message. Click on this button to connect. After connecting to your TronLink wallet, click Start. The page will be directed to this form. Here it will display the balance in USDTs of your TronLink. This field will show you the value of the bronze pool. First, you must approve the purchase amount in your TronLink wallet. To do this, click on this button. It will show you this message. Click this button to accept. Your TronLink wallet will automatically open to approve the purchase amount. Click this button to approve. Select this field, and click Approve. Wait for the smart contract to be processed, which can take about a minute. This notification informs that the value has been approved. Click on this button to accept. Click Start again to be redirected to the pool purchase form. Now we can verify that we have already approved the amount of 30 USDTs to make the purchase. Click on Register. You must accept the purchase in your TronLink. You click on this button to accept. Wait for the smart contract to process again. This message confirms that the operation was successful. To finish, click on Accept. Now you can access your account through the Smart Infinity panel. Click here to enter. Click this button to connect your TronLink to the panel. You can check here that your TronLink wallet is already connected. Next, click on this button to enter. Congratulations! You are part of Smart Infinity and you have unlocked your bronze pool. Click on Open to enter the pool. This is your ID in Smart Infinity. And this is your affiliate link to send to your contacts. You just click to copy. To do the same process on your mobile phone, you open the TronLink Pro application. You click on this icon at the bottom. And paste in this field the affiliate link of the person who invited you to Smart Infinity. Click this button to access the affiliate link. Then you follow the same process that we present to you in this video.